Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying what you actually have. Most stock Xbox 360 controllers use Microsoft's proprietary wireless protocol, not Bluetooth. If you have an original Xbox 360 wireless pad, get the official wireless receiver for Windows and an OTG adapter for your phone. If you have a third-party Bluetooth-marked 360-style pad, make sure its Bluetooth is enabled. Insert fresh batteries. Plug the receiver into the phone via OTG. Then press the receiver's sync and the controller's guide button to begin discovery. Once the receiver is connected and the controller is in sync mode, watch for the controller LED to blink and the phone to register a new input device. Android typically shows a notification for a connected HID. If you're using a Bluetooth-capable third-party controller, put it into pairing and use the phone's Bluetooth scan instead. Make sure to install a lightweight controller helper app on Android when prompted, because many phones need a driver layer to map button inputs for games. Finish by opening a controller test app or a game that supports controllers and confirm every button and stick responds cleanly. Remap if necessary. If you encounter input lag or disconnects, swap to fresh batteries, reduce distance and interference, or use a wired USB connection via OTG if supported. If the phone never sees the device, stop and recheck whether your Xbox 360 pad actually speaks Bluetooth. If it doesn't, you must use the official wireless receiver or a compatible third-party controller that explicitly lists phone Bluetooth support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.